In the early 1930s, for about 6 years, the Jewish community in Cincinnati was embroiled in a great battle which went into the secular courts as well as the secular press between the Orthodox community, led by the very venerable Rabbi Eliezer Silver, often known as the chief rabbi of America in his time, and Dr. David Phillipson, who was a leader of the Reform movement, who had their headquarters with the Hebrew Union College in Cincinnati, even though the majority of Jews in Cincinnati were Orthodox. The Orthodox community sought to build a new mikveh, and Rabbi Phillipson, the Reform community, together with a lawyer from his community, Mr. Seasongood, who later became the mayor of Cincinnati, fought against Rabbi Silver, who was represented by Robert Taft, the son of President Taft and later a senator from Ohio. At one point, the lawyer Seasongood was asked to cross-examine Rabbi Silver. And the judge at the time was an African-American gentleman who was blind. And Mr. Seasongood said, "Your Honor, because of your blindness, you're unable to see what a caveman this rabbi is with a long black coat and a long beard. But I will cross-examine him to demonstrate just how backward thinking this man is. After all, religious freedom only means you could be, in the views of the liberal reform at the time, and Seasongood was a very strong Democrat, was that religious freedom meant you could either be Catholic or Protestant or Jewish, but not to be practicing any type of extreme orthodoxy according to their view, which of course was not the view of the founders. And really, Mr. Taft was seeking to be following the tradition of Lincoln and the Republican Party to defend religious freedom. And so Seasongood asked Rabbi Silver, "Do you believe that every word in the Hebrew Bible, what the Christians call the Old Testament, is true?" Rabbi Silver said, "Yes, of course." So Mr. Seasongood said, "Do you mean to say, do you believe that a donkey could talk, as we read in the book of Numbers, chapter 2, Parshas Balak, this week's Parsha?" Rabbi Silver said, "You know, I wasn't sure until I met you." All right, God bless. Please like and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.